Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we are going to talk about a new product that was recently debuted at the Medical Trade Show in Dallas, Texas. You may have seen our last video where we took you on a tour of all the different booths, took a look at a bunch of new products coming out. In this video, we're talking about one product in particular known as the Ultra Portable. It's coming out towards the end of this year. It's by Pride Mobility. It's a fold flat scooter with carbon fiber. Super awesome looking scooter. We don't have official specs, but we're going to take a look at it today and learn about it. Now, before we get started, I want to tell you about our free product catalog. It's got all of our latest products, discount codes. If you want a copy, just go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You could also just call our non-commissioned sales experts and request one, or click at the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says Get Free Catalog. It'll take you right to the form. And I do want to tell you that we are making videos of all the new products coming out soon. Some of the existing products that are just getting new accessories and updates. We're showing you a couple of them on the screen now. We've got some pretty awesome new products and product updates coming out soon. You're not going to want to miss out on that stuff. I also want to tell you that if you subscribe and comment, you will be automatically entered into our monthly giveaway. We'll tell you more about that at the end of this video, but it's free to do. Not only will you get entered into the giveaway, you will also get notifications when we release new videos like this one of awesome new products, entertainment videos, repair videos. We make more videos than any other dealer in the industry. So check us out. If you're not already subscribed, you want to do so. So again, today we're going to talk about one particular product that's coming out soon by Pride Mobility, and the unofficial name is the Ultra Portable. What makes it unique is that it's a carbon fiber scooter that folds flat. Now, a lot of the manufacturers are making fold flat scooters because there's one particular model. It's our best-selling scooter known as the GB120. And the reason why it's such a top seller is because you don't have to deadlift anything. You can lift the front two wheels, prop it up on the bumper, the rear bumper of your car. If your trunk's open, you can then roll, like kind of tilt and roll the scooter into the trunk of your car, as opposed to having to deadlift something that weighs 30 to 40 to 50, even 60 pounds. Now, a lot of the travel scooters don't fold, they come apart, but still, the heaviest piece usually weighs 30 to 40, sometimes 50 pounds. So deadlifting that much weight is nearly impossible. Now, something else that's awesome is it has a magnetic charging port. So as you can see on the screen, the charger magnetically snaps onto the charging port. So again, this is an unofficial kind of a prototype that they were displaying at the trade show, and we had the luxury to be able to get some filming done while we were there, kind of play around with it, learn about it. We don't know official specs because nothing's been finalized yet. We know it's going to have a removable lithium battery pack, so you can take the battery pack out. It just slides right out of the back. Charge it while you're on the go. Bring it up to your hotel room. Leave the scooter in the garage or in the car. Pretty awesome stuff. There was also a lot of other awesome products, so make sure you subscribe, y'all. You're not going to want to miss out on the videos as we release them. We have power wheelchairs, scooters, and a bunch of other products coming out soon. New brands that we're going to start carrying this year, and you're going to see all kinds of videos soon. And again, folks, if you want to enter our monthly giveaway, all you got to do is subscribe and leave a comment. Like the last few winners that you're seeing on the screen now, you too could win a free mobility scooter or power wheelchair simply by subscribing and leaving a comment. You could leave a simple comment like, hey, the video was great, or hey, I hated the video. It doesn't matter. If you comment, good or bad, you're in the giveaway. We'd love to hear from you. We appreciate your support, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, have a great day.